Hey traders, Clifford back with another video on how to trade the index. So today we're going to talk about how to stay up to date with important market news that will benefit your trading. Now, me personally, I am a I use technical analysis to trade. That's all I use. I'm a trend follower. But even though you may like technicals, you definitely want to still be aware of fundamentals as well, because the fundamentals are basically what moves the market, what creates new trends. So you definitely want to be able to stay on top of your fundamentals, news releases when they happen, especially like the major ones, because they move the market big time. So with that being said, let's go over that. So now, there's a couple ways you could follow these news releases, these market news releases as they come out, or economic indicators, some people would call them. There is a calendar in TradingView actually right here. You click on this, and you see here it says economic. Sorry, wait. You click. Yeah, you click here, and it says economic right here. So here you have all these different reports, all these different economic releases that are showing you what's going to happen today, Thursday, May 16th, for example. And this is pretty good. I mean, it's decent. I don't know if this is a new feature. Um, I hope they make it even better and more detailed in the future. They also have an earnings report here if you trade stocks and you want to follow earnings. That's definitely important too for stock traders as well as index traders like myself. But so this is definitely good, but the one coming soon, what is that? Oh, okay, yeah. So there you go. So that's like their tool right there, and it even tells you when the next release is coming. So this is definitely good as one tool, but the one that I like to use the most so far is called this one over here. I'm going to show you a website called Forex Factory. Now, most traders probably already are familiar with this website, especially if you're a forex trader, which is where I started trading. In the 25 years I've been studying markets, trading markets, different types of markets. I discovered Forex Factory when I started trading the forex. So, but even if you're not a forex trader, this website is excellent. So let me show you why. For those of you who do not know. Um, so basically, it lists the economic releases kind of like in the order that makes it very easy to follow. So like here's Thursday, May 16th. So we got unemployment claims. It says what is the forecast for unemployment claims? What is the actual number? What was the previous number? So it's very detailed information. It gives you colors: red, orange, yellow, which means red. If you click up here, there's a little filter, and it says red means high impact expected, big volatility. Orange, medium. Yellow, yellow is low. White or gray, I don't even pay attention to. But so, how could you use this in your trading? Well, there's so many economic releases out there that are important. I'll make another video explaining those because that's like another video altogether. But in a nutshell, basically, these are important because you want to be aware of these. They're going to affect your trades. I don't care if you're a forex trader or an index trader like me or a stock trader. You want to be aware of these economic releases. So here's what I do. What I like to do is I go like this. So let's say today was the start of the week. We're on a Thursday. I'll just play, rewind here. So the market opens on Sunday at 5 o'clock and it closes on Friday at 5 o'clock. So what I do is I'll go like here, Sunday to Friday. Oh wait, so there we go. Sunday to Friday. You go like that. You take this one and then you select this one and then you hit apply. And now I can see every single news release for the trading week. So I could see what basically is this a quiet week? Is this going to be a crazy week? Is this going to be a volatile week? You want to know that. For instance, Sunday there was nothing, so obviously I'm not going to be worried about that. But Monday, you got these people speaking, Fed members speaking. When these guys speak, the market moves. So you want to even if you're working and you have a full-time job, you may not be able to pay attention to all these speeches, but you still kind of want to be aware when they're going to speak, because a lot of the things these Fed members say will move the markets big time. Now, this is the most important one though, when Powell speaks. That's why it's in red. You definitely, even if you've got a part-time job and you're trading part-time or something, you want to listen to that speech when you're done working or something. Go on YouTube and type in Fed meeting and you'll see it. It's like usually 30 minutes. When this guy speaks, man, does it matter. So, all right. So what else we got? PPI. This is an important one too. Producer price index. You could actually click here and it'll show you what these reports do. CPI is the big one. That's like the inflation report. Retail sales, very important. Unemployment claims, important. The unemployment report, very important. Interest rate decisions is the biggest importance there. So you definitely want to be aware of those interest rate decisions as well. So that's pretty much it. And you could filter it different ways. Like you could click up here. Like let's say you only want now. Oh, this is one thing I forgot to mention. This is designed for forex traders, but if you're a stock index trader like me, you could follow it like this. Like you could filter. Like here it says currencies all, and if you apply a filter, you're going to see every single country's news release there is. If you're a forex trader, that's great. But me, I only want to see the United States, so I just go all. I hit none. I hit USD. Apply filter, and there you go. Now I know everything that's happening this week. For instance, I know today that we just had unemployment claims. I know that Fed member Barr is going to speak at 10 a.m. Okay, that already happened. Or sorry, Mester and Bostic are going to speak at 3:50 p.m. So the yellow ones are probably not as important as red. So let's say you only want to see the red because you know that these are the biggest influence of the market movement. You just click up here and you hit select only in red, apply filter, and there you go. So now you have all the releases that are going to be volatile this week. So basically at 8:30 in the morning, you know a huge report is coming for PPI. You know that he's going to speak at 10 a.m. So how could you use all this in your trading? Well, basically if you're trading something like I guess the S&P or the NASDAQ or the Russell, those are the three I trade, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, you know, before a big release or something like that, you may just want to tighten your stops a little. You may not, you may want to reduce your risk a little. You may want to do different things because, when these people speak and these big events happen, I've seen markets flip the other direction on a dime. Like you could see for instance, when interest rate decisions happen, like, let's say the market's expecting them to this guy Powell when he speaks, right? This guy right here, when interest rate when he's going to talk, like let's say the market's priced in and they're all talking about, how uh, he's thinking about cutting rates or something, right? And then all of a sudden he comes out hawkish and starts talking about keeping rates higher for an extended period of time. All of a sudden you could see something like this happen. The market starts to open in a higher direction, and then boom, by the end of the day, just a complete reversal that washes out every single person who bought in before the report. So just little things like that, just you just want to reduce your risk before news releases. You want to be aware of news releases, and that'll help you stay on top of your trading. And that's pretty much it for now. In the future, I'll make a video going over the different releases, because there is different things you want to be aware of. Like the main ones are the interest rate decisions, the CPI, the retail sales, the PPI, and also the unemployment report. They call it the non-farm payrolls. It's the first Friday of every month. You definitely want to be aware of that one too. But we'll go over that in another video. So that's about it for now. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, subscribe, put your comments below. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. And as always, my friends, trade what you see on the charts. Trade well.